Do you want to make some extra income online in your free time? You can make up to $100 in a day using this survey site. This is completely legitimate and high-paying. Let's look into the website now. This is the first interface you can see when you are entering. Here are the list of survey sites which are providing surveys in cents. Each of these sites are legit. You can sign up here simply by providing your email and password. After you complete the sign-up process, you can enter into this homepage. Here you can see your details about your existing money in your account and total you have earned till now. Here is the cash out option where you can withdraw your money. They are providing PayPal, Reward Link, Skrill and Steem for withdrawal. $10 is the minimum amount necessary for withdrawal in PayPal and $5 is minimum in Skrill. You can earn money by using any of these tasks such as survey, small tasks, simple sign-up offers and affiliate program. Now let's look how to make income. This is the first option where you can complete survey and earn money. The availability of survey is different according to the demographic changes. Also, the complete history is shown here, you can check it for clarification. The second option is cash offers, where you can complete some small tasks, installations and make money. Another option of making money is by completing small tasks, figure 8 tasks. And you can also earn money by using reference or affiliate income. Here you can refer your friends or others and earn money on their sign-up, and also you can get commission of $2 for every $5 they are earning. An important thing is that the availability of offers in survey can vary according to your demographical situations.